Hi, my name is Nixie and happy Inktober. I think this is my third time joining Inktober, and my plan is to just make simple illustrations every day with an exception of watercolor, but using only one color. And I really want to focus on my line work, so that's what I did here. I think first day prompt is rings or ring, but either way I'm pretty sure it's ring. That's why I remembered one of my original characters, which is Ilran, and I remember him having a lot of rings, so I didn't really want to think so deep or go so weird. Whatever I think first, whatever I come up with first, I'll just do it because I really don't want to stress on this challenge. We all know that Inktober can easily burn you out. So after the second time of joining Inktober, I really did want to make simple and sketchy Inktober pieces. But then that's exactly what I did not do in this one. You'll see it later. I was beginning to put on my watercolors after I'm done with the line art, and my goal or my plan is for the watercolor is just for accent. But then I got so into it that I really spent a lot of time and layering it, and then I wasn't so happy about the color because the violet that I picked was mineral violet from Holbein, and it's more on the magenta side, and I wanted it to be more on the bluer side or a cooler version of violet. So I was like, you know what, I'll just use the other violet, the permanent violet, which is more bluer. And then what happened is it turned out very overworked. And if you remember, or if you watched my video, the one with the dabbing girl in the thumbnail, I can't remember what title I gave it, but I used the paper that I reviewed there, and that paper is not good for layering, or you really cannot overwork on that paper. Excuse me. So that's what I did. This piece is totally overworked, and I was actually gonna give up on it, and I was just gonna post the first picture that I took of it. You'll see it later too, where he's more magenta looking. I was just gonna post it, but I was like, you know what, no, I'm not gonna give up on this, and I'm gonna finish it. And whatever, his skin turned out darker than I would have wanted it because I lost a lot of the whiteness of the paper on his face. And my plan was I was gonna give him a darker shade of purple for his clothing, but what I did is just do the opposite. His skin turned out to be the darkest part, and his clothing just a normal purple, if you know what I mean. I think I was really happy that I didn't give up on it, though. I'm fine with it. It didn't turn out what I planned it to be, but at least I worked on it. So yeah, I hope that the ring part is like the center of attraction there too, because the prompt is the ring and not Ilran, but whatever. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I leave you now to enjoy the video. Yes, I am always so bad at ending videos. I'm so sorry. I'll get better soon. Bye.
Bye.